Welcome to Ashlar Creatives. Are you someone who's looking at buying a certain kind of mic or an audio recorder and use it at your home, which also means that ambient sound, echo, and all of that is a challenge for you? And you're wondering what sort of equipment you could buy at least to start off. And maybe you don't want to upgrade anytime soon, so you put some good amount of money up front and get some good stuff. Well, this video series is going to be exactly about that, to help you out. I'll be showing you certain mics and audio recorders which I have and I use in my home studio. I don't have a treated room for sound, it's just a spare bedroom, but I use some good equipment and I'll show you how they perform in this series of videos. So let's get started. The first one that I have with me is the Sennheiser MKE 600. Now this is a shotgun microphone. As you can see, it's quite long, and it comes with this shock mount as well. It is an XLR mic, and you can also add in a single AA battery if you need to. And being a condenser mic, it needs phantom power. So let's hook it up and see how this sounds. I'm connecting this to the Zoom F3, which is a 32-bit float audio recorder, which means it can handle very low whisper kind of sounds, and it can also handle really loud sounds. So let's power it up. Alright, so I'm now speaking into the Sennheiser MKE 600. This is a very directional mic, so it will pick up anything that's right in front of it, but it has good off-axis rejection. Now I'll stay silent for a few seconds and you'll hear what this mic is picking up in this untreated room. Alright, so that's what this mic sounds like, and let me know in the comments what do you think about this. To keep in mind, I have the fan on in this room. For this purpose, I might boost the signal if needed in post, but beyond that, I'm not going to be treating this sound file in any other way. Have a good one.